Hello guys.
Every single day I'm gonna make something.
Welcome back guys. So this is lavender buds. You can decide to use their flower, but I prefer the buds. So the first thing you're supposed to do with your herbs is to preheat it using a microwave. So I've already done that. So now here is chamomile. Chamomile is very good for oily skin. So when you are using this, you have to preheat it also to prevent bacteria or insects that have already infested the chamomile. So right now I'm going to mix it with the lavender. You can decide to blend the two together using a blender if you want it to be a bit of powdery, but I'm going to use this one like this because of the video. So now I'm going to add mint oil. Mint oil is very good for facial steaming. It's very good. It will help you relax, relieve you of your stress throughout the day. So it's best you do this once a week, and most times stress actually brings out. So if you're very stressed, you tend to have pimples, breakouts, your complexion will be very dim because nothing will be working very well on your skin. So that's why this facial steam is very important. So right now I'm putting few drops of the mint essential oil. So actually the measurement I use like 4 tablespoons of each of the herbs that I'm using right now. So I'm going to mix it very well with the essential oil. So by the time you put it inside the hot water and you put your face, it will give you a relaxation feeling around your facial areas. So I'm just going to mix it properly, make sure the oil goes round into the I'm making a mess, goes right into the herbs right now. So once I am done, I am going to package it into our empty tea pack, which you can always get around Abuja or Lagos. So it's not very cost. So if you want it, you can DM me. So I'm going to mix it properly. You can see the way it is right now. You feel like, okay, maybe the oil is going to come out of the tea bag. No, it's not. Once it goes into the herbs very well, there you go. So all right, this is pretty nice already. So the next thing I am going to do is to package it. Stay tuned.
Every single day I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make something.
Hello guys, so you're welcome back to right now. This is our tea bag. This is the type I got. I think it comes in different types, but it doesn't really mean. So I'm going to package this into it while I explain some things about facial steaming. So if you're looking for a way to step up your skincare goal, your skincare games without breaking your bank accounts, if you want products to work well on your skin, facial steaming is the way. You have to get this facial steaming tea. Facial steaming is a treatment that cleanses and nourishes and feel luxurious on your facial areas. And you know, your facial areas is around your neck, around your breast area is your selling point. You know what I'm talking about. So facial steaming, actually, when you steam your face, it opens your pores and it helps to deep cleanse your skin so that your all those blackheads, acne, it will help to like deep cleanse it very well. So the product you're going to use to treat other things tends to works very well, and it also hydrates. It also help your skin to absorbs your skincare product very well, like I've explained. So it helps to relax, make you relax from your stressful day or from your stressful week, enabling your muscles around your facial area to relax and be gently, you know what I'm talking about. So right now, this is how it is. So we're going to be selling it for just 1,000 naira for 2 packs. All right, so you'll be getting 2 packs of it. So you use one, so you're meant to steam your face once a week. Thank you so much for watching.